Have you ever shipped something and just had that thought, uncomfortable feeling that, man, I wish I would have added a little extra to it to help prevent it from being damaged? Have you ever thought about the possibility of actually making a wooden crate for it, or at least putting some wood around it to give it that extra protection, not to mention the extra level of comfort for your own peace of mind? I'm Rick. All depressing. Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Feel that for your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. If you're new to the channel, first time stopping by, thank you, seriously, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view my channel. Please consider subscribing and ding 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 ding, always hit that bell so you are notified when the videos do come out. Today's video, I'm going to let you follow me along and I'm going to show you how I added a little extra protection around a box I am shipping to somebody. So you want to ensure that it arrives damage free. There are no boxes for certain things. Sometimes you have to just come up with something and build it. I'm going to go through this with you so you can see exactly my process, my thinking, how I do it. Now there is a side note. You can even go a little bit above what I did on this box. Instead of having the slats, you can have a solid box. But again, you're paying on weight. I'm trying to minimize the weight and still allow an added level of security around the box. I don't know about the other companies. This is the first time I shipped a wooden crate through UPS, but when I went to take this after I encased it in wood, took it to UPS, they charged me an additional $35 just because it was wood. I think that's pretty screwed up, so that's something to consider. If you do make a wooden case for something you're shipping, call them first to see if they're going to charge you extra just because it's wood. With that said, let's get to it. Now, this is the item I'm shipping. You see a lot of play. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap it in this. I'm going to put fill in here to keep this from bouncing, tape it up, get this box secure. Then we're going to go through the process of making a box crate around this. Now I have this wrapped in here secure. Nut is wobbly. I have bubble wrap on the bottom and the sides. You see I got bubble wrap covering this. So I'll put some, because there's a tab sticking out here, so I'm going to put bubble wrap here to help in that. For any rubbing vibration, there's tabs here. So I'm going to put bubble wrap here. Nice and tight around this. Now as far as building a crate around this, all this wood here, I paid about $20 at the box store. These are actual fence slats. I'm going to go to my table saw. I'm going to rip these down to 2-inch wide strips, maybe 2 1/4. Basically just going to split this in half. So there'll be 3 2-inch slats on top, one on the edge, one in the middle, one on this edge. Put 2 on the side, 3 on the bottom, 2 on this side, and this is just 2.5-inch stock. What I will do when these are done, I will make a frame around here, at least 3, maybe 4. Try this around 4 times. That'll secure that. And then on the end, if I have whatever I have left on this, or left of this, or I have stock over here in my shop, I'll just nail a couple pieces across here the same way. So let me get to the table saw. I rip these down to 2-inch strips. So that's basically what the crate will look like. 3 on top, 2 on the sides. The wood on top will encase all 4 sides, but now I can get my measurements and know what I got to cut everything. On the top, I'm going to add the thickness on each side of this to go over to allow the other piece to fit inside here. Last thing I'm going to need is to cut these down to length. So easy way to measure that, I'm going to use woods like that to go there, and that's what's going to put on the bottom and the top. This is the thickness of wood, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure the box plus this length, and that's what I'm going to cut these down to. With all my wood cut, I'm ready to assemble the wood around this box. If you don't have a staple gun, if you're going to use hammer and nails to do this, I would suggest on the ends of these, drill them first so you have less likelihood of splitting the wood. And for added strength or durability, I'm going to glue these. It's not rocket science, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a crate, so don't go crazy if you don't get it just right. That's simple. When we get all 4 of these done, we'll move to the next step. Now I have everything half assembled. Now, basically, I'm going to slide this over, kind of get where I want it. Slide these into place. I flip this over. I got everything kind of where I want it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to glue these, tack these in. It's just a crate, so you don't have to get real crazy on trying to get a line of stuff. I'm going to put these across. I think I'm going to put a piece that goes all the way across on this end and that end. Goes down a little bit. Now these on. That's perfect. This is what I want, baby. Tight there, and I'm just going to get that where I want it there. Nail that there. Ready for shipping. Just that added level of protection, making sure that this can arrive damage free, especially if something's valuable. You really want to go the extra mile. Hope that gave you some ideas. If you got things you got to ship, maybe this can help you, at least give you some type of a starting point. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go in, I'm done. Be blessed. Take back your shack and build it for your sanity. I gotta get this shipped off first thing in the morning. Thanks again for watching. We will see you in the next video. Ever wish you had a little more protection when having sex? No. Yeah, that came out of nowhere, didn't it? Always ask that you may consider subscribing, and if you do, ding ding ding, hit that bell so you are notified when the videos do come out. And I got a bug or something on me here. I was on a roll and I gotta do it over.